Hey guys, what is up? It is Dominic, and in this video, we're going to be talking about the newest updates to GoHighLevel. Every once in a while, I hop in here, I head on over to the lab section, which is what we're going to do in a second, and the lab section inside of GHL shows you all the new features. They're all in beta test mode and you can turn them on. It's not just me. It's not just top affiliates. You guys can do this too. And you get to test out new features before they go live to the public and get put in every single person's account. And it's really cool. And it's just nice to have a leg up on the competition and see what GoHighLevel is putting their time, effort, and money into. So I make full videos and break them down so you don't have to. Now, this is going to be a quick video because it's not one of the biggest updates ever. It's not like the super agent updates, but all updates are good updates. So let's get into it. Let's talk about the newest updates inside of GoHighLevel and let's see if they are worth turning on for your sub account. So first thing we're going to do is go to the settings tab down here, and then we're going to scroll all the way down to labs. Labs is where you go when you want to try out all of these new features, and you can scroll forever. I mean, there's so many features in here. Auto save for email builder, email AI. Obviously that's a massive one. New Launchpad. As you can clearly see, I turn most of these on, but some of them are kind of small. I mean, opportunity forecasting is not really something in my radar. Instagram unified onboarding flow, yeah, not really for me. But either way, you guys can try all of them if you want. It doesn't really hurt to turn everything on. Obviously, super agents, that one should definitely be on. That's one of the biggest updates they've ever had. But the one that I was curious about is Global Search V2. So this is your new way to search for anything inside of a sub account. So for instance, let's say you have a sub account with 8,000 contacts, 150,000 conversations, 85 automations, and you got a bunch of opportunities and pipelines. There's just so much going on, but you can't get rid of it. You can't clean it up because you've had that sub account forever. Well, I'm actually using that sub account right now. My main Serious Systems sub account is massive. I've had it for almost 5 years. There's so much in here. I can never figure out how to manage it correctly. If I look for like a contact or a conversation I had with Declan from 3 years ago, that's going to be incredibly difficult to find. So now we have Global Search V2, which we're going to test out right now. What Global Search V2 does is it basically gives you this search bar where you can search for anything inside of the account. So you can search for contacts or opportunities or pipelines or certain records. Anything can be navigated in here. As you can see right here, it says the new global search gives you one place to find anything across the platform, records, pages, settings, without hunting through a bunch of different menus. One search bar for the entire platform. It finds contacts, opportunities, conversations, calendars, funnels, and many more products from a single query. Jump to any page in seconds. Every sidebar page and nested settings screen is instantly searchable, so you never have to remember where something lives again. So that's what we're going to be testing out. I'm excited. Let's do it. I haven't really tested this out at all, so you guys are going to get to see my live reaction. It says right here, you can open it with Command, Control, and K. So let's see if that works. Command, Control, and then K right there. And boom, it is right here. So let's, for starters, type in my name. Let's just type in Dominic Baptist. As you can see, it first goes to contacts. We don't care about that. Let's do all categories. So now when we do all categories, you can see anything that's associated to Dominic Baptist, including all my old opportunities from back in the day. So let's click on this one. And there it is. It's my junk removal opportunity. I must have made that as an opportunity from back in the day. I don't know when I did that. I guess it wasn't that far back in the day. It says April 14th. So I must have done it for a YouTube video. Let's try somebody that maybe hasn't been in the system for a long time. All right, guys, I looked up Declan O'Reilly, and as you can see, he's right here in the contacts, but I've never had him in an opportunity or a pipeline, but I can at least find him easily in the contacts. Now, I wonder if I can type in something that's not a name. Let's type in something else here. All right, guys, check it out. I typed in professional, and it pulled up the products for professional, so I can see the product that I had for professional, which is just a professional plan. I make a professional plan, and I usually sell that for $297 a month. This one's showing the annual for $2,970, but that's pretty cool. It shows the entire product right there. And then of course you can see all of your recently viewed that you've searched. So we see Dominic Baptist, we see Declan O'Reilly. But yeah, like I said, guys, not the biggest update on the planet here, but it is nice. It's nice to be able to search when you just have no idea what's going on. You're trying to find maybe an opportunity in pipeline from way back in the day. I can think of multiple different reasons that you would want this. Maybe you had a customer from like 3 years ago when you're trying to find their contract and you didn't save it in their contract. contact, or maybe you're trying to find an old invoice or whatever it may be. There's always times where you want to find something that you can't find. Now we have that ability. So once again, not the biggest update, but it's an update. It's kind of cool. The next thing is under Ask AI. Now this update I actually don't have in my account yet, and when I get it, I will make a full video on it, but I believe there's like an extension. Maybe it's like a Chrome extension or something for Ask AI that can actually go inside of your browser itself. So that's pretty cool. I don't have that yet. I don't know if I have to log back in. Let me know if you guys have it. But as of right now, I do not have that in my system, but I will definitely be adding it when I see it. One of the cool things you can do is click down here though on your actual account, and you can see all of the memory. So if I click on manage right here, you can see all the memory, all the things that I've done on this account in Ask AI, and you can actually search for certain memories. This is different than searching for the recents. This is pretty much everything you've ever done on this account, and you can filter it out from oldest to newest. This is also very important, and you can import different memories. So it says list everything you know about me, my business, how I work, use the exact words I used wherever possible, especially for instructions and preferences, and basically gives you all the instructions right here. All you have to do is copy that, and it says copy this prompt into a chat with your AI provider, and then you paste the results below to add to your memory so that it knows absolutely everything. So we could do this with ChatGPT or Claude. If you guys talk to Claude and ChatGPT all the time and you want them to know all of your memory, boom, copy, paste, you're done. Very, very cool, and definitely something that you might as well do, or you can do with your clients. And that, my friends, is the memory section. Now, obviously, I've gone over the scheduled and the templates before, but let me hit up templates one more time because they have, of course, added a lot of templates into Ask AI. This is crazy. So if you guys don't want to start from complete scratch inside of Ask AI, you can easily start with one of these many, many different templates. And here's a good example of one of the templates. So it says purchase for a phone number and complete the regulatory requirements if needed. So that's for A2P. Configure a voice AI agent from the conversation analysis. Auto build a conversation AI agent trained on your business profile and website. Link your Facebook pages to Social Planner. Honestly, how I would use most of this is I would just study how many there are, because there's so many things that you guys probably don't even think of. And you're like, oh, wait, that is a good idea. I could totally do that for some of my clients, or I could add that on as a feature that I can sell for my agency. So sometimes just seeing it is enough. You don't have to actually use the template, but it is nice that they're all right here. So for instance, it says list all businesses in the location and inspect one in detail. So boom, we can click that. And now Ask AI is going to town. And of course it says there's no businesses in here. I have all my personal contacts in here. I don't have a bunch of business contacts in here. And check it out. It listed a bunch of different businesses right here, all the businesses that are inside of this sub account. So if I want to do like Lambert Custom Pools, boom, there you go, submit. And then Ask AI is going to inspect in detail all about that business. Obviously, we could ask it a specific detail for it to pull. Maybe we want only businesses that are in landscaping. Maybe we want only businesses that are in pool cleaning. I don't know, something along those lines. It's nice to have Ask AI be able to do all of this for us. But yeah, now it's going to give out absolutely everything you would need to know about that specific business. It also asks if I would like to clean up this record, if there's a bunch of stuff in here I want to clean up. So that's also really nice. And we wouldn't have known to do that if we didn't have our templates to basically guide us there. So that's the template section. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And while we're here, for anybody who missed the scheduled tasks inside of Ask AI, if you guys missed that really big update, basically now you can schedule things with Ask AI, which was like the biggest negative part of Ask AI, that you had to come in here and ask AI something. You always had to come in and ask it manually. But now you can create the task so that you don't have to keep coming in and asking it every single day to do something. For instance, let's say you were using Ask AI for social media management planning. You were having Ask AI come up with a bunch of different captions. You were having Ask AI create the image for you, the actual post. You were having Ask AI do basically everything for your Facebook and Instagram posts. Well, in order for you to do that, you had to come in here every single morning and put that in there and say, hey, can you schedule this post for 2 p.m.? But now if you wanted to, you could create a post or a task and call it social media manager, manage my social media in the description. And then you would do the prompt. So we could go to ChatGPT or something, come up with a prompt that says post every single other day or every day. And then I want you to also come up with the description, the caption or whatnot. And I want you to do this every single day, or you could do it every hour, weekday, weekly, whatever it is that you want to do. And then you can even schedule out the actual time of when it does that. But you can also tell it what to do in the prompt as well. You can say, hey, I want it at like 9 p.m. Central Standard or 9 a.m. Central Standard. That would make more sense. And then Ask AI can create that post for you. So there you go. That's just one of so many different ways that you can use the scheduled task feature inside of Ask AI. But honestly, I would probably just use the super agent. If you guys haven't seen the super agents, you can go over here to AI agents. This is also a new update inside of the lab feature that you can turn on, and then you can get super agents. And inside of super agents, you can actually train an entire agent right here in the instructions prompt to be your 100% social media manager, which is genuinely insane. So yes, you could technically do that here, or you could do it with a schedule or an Ask AI. Either way, there are a lot of ways for you to have and build a social media manager for all of your clients and sell that as a potential feature. Really, really cool. And you can test out the agent to make sure that it's perfect, or you can just watch my video where I break down the entire super agent specifically for social media. But let's head on back into the settings tab. Let's go to labs again. And guys, a lot of times, like I said, some of these updates are not the biggest updates in the world, but it is nice to be an expert in GHL. It's nice to know what's going on. Like for instance, associate records. This is a new workflow action. It's new action in the workflow. And basically it says right here, the new associate records workflow action brings intelligent, rule-based record associations to CRM workflows. Users can dynamically find and associate contacts, companies, opportunities, and custom objects using flexible filters, merging fields, matching strategies, and association labels. This makes it easy to automate complex CRM relationships that previously required manual effort or custom values. And then they break down absolutely everything. This all has to do with the associate records. Is that a little bit more complicated? If you're brand new to Go High Level, do you have to have that on? No. But if you've been in Go High Level for years and you work with associate records, then yes, you might want that. You might want to add that in. That might help you a lot. So yeah, some of these updates are for people who have been in GHL for years and years and years. And then some of these updates are for people who have not been in Go High Level, who are just getting started, and they're here to make our lives easier. And in my opinion, that's where something like Agent Studio Super Agent comes in, because that's a brand new feature for everybody. And it's a really cool thing that we can sell. Conversation AI full screen builder. If you're brand new to GHL, turn this on, because if you don't turn it on in 39 days, it's going to be active. And every time you build a conversation AI bot, it's going to look vastly different than how you're building it today. So you might as well get used to the new UI. And honestly, guys, it's a lot better than the old version. So turn this on. It's how all my videos go too. So if you're trying to follow my videos and follow along and my screen looks completely different than yours, boom, this is why. But yes, the list goes on. Transfer calls to any device a teammate uses. That one's actually live. Some of these are live. You can't even turn them on anymore. Here's a pretty small one. Social Planner LinkedIn post syncing. So if you turn this on, it basically links your LinkedIn post, so they automatically import your existing LinkedIn posts into the Social Planner. Once again, not a crazy update, but it's something on there. Same thing with Social Planner Instagram posting. You can do the same thing there. But AI Studio, obviously, this one goes live in 40 days. You guys need to have AI Studio turned on. I could not imagine my life right now without AI Studio. It's one of the coolest updates in Go High Level history. I use it like every single day. I use it for all my clients. I highly recommend turning on AI Studio. I made so many videos on this. Vibe coding these amazing websites is the way to go. I also turned on the prompt optimizer for voice AI, so I can easily create voice AI agents. That's not live for 221 more days. March of 2027, guys. Check this one out. New Launchpad beta. Let's turn it on and see if it changed our Launchpad. Click back, go back to the Launchpad, and it did. This is obviously the new Launchpad. This is per sub account. I have sub accounts with this Launchpad, but obviously this demo account did not have the updated Launchpad. If you guys don't know what a Launchpad is, basically it's Go High Level's version of saying, hey, when you get inside of Go High Level, whether you're a client or whether you're an agency owner, use this Launchpad to get you launched into GHL. And they're basically going to take you through step by step all these little tutorials. Is it a complete game changer? No, not really. Can you just watch my videos and learn everything you need to know about getting launched? Yeah, of course. I actually just posted a video the other day on how to onboard a client. So they don't necessarily need all this, but I guess it's nice to have. Either way, those are some of the cool updates that Go High Level has offered. Is this the most exciting video you've ever watched? Probably not. But whenever Go High Level comes out with new updates, you know where to go. Come to my channel and I will break them down, tell you if they're great or if they're not really that useful at all. I personally think this one is pretty cool, a universal search. It's something I feel like should be added anyway, and I'm glad that they finally added it. Once again, by no means is it life-changing, but if you have a lot going on in a certain sub-account, you want to find whatever you're looking for, this is the way to do it. So go turn that on in the lab section. And this is per sub-account, so you guys can do this for your clients. This is all part of how your clients interact with Go High Level. That's why some of these updates are really, really important, because it changes the way that you run your company. It changes the features that you sell. It changes how you build your CRM from scratch, and it changes how you teach them how to use that CRM, or how I teach them, because I make a bunch of white label videos to make your life 100 times easier, so you don't have to go and teach everybody everything, because I do it for you and I do it for all of my affiliates. And if you don't believe me, then just join the High Level AI SaaS Lab. It's the best community in the world for Go High Level. We cover all of the new updates. We give you everything that you need to do. We give you all the AI prompts that you could ever want. We give you all the sales scripts. We give you all the agency snapshots, and you get all of my white labeled content in Dom's bonuses. Basically, videos that I put together that are completely white labeled that are going to help you as an agency owner and are going to help your clients. If you guys want access to the High Level AI SaaS Lab, make sure to use that link in the description below. We have almost 5,000 members in here. It's freaking awesome. We have so many people sharing their wins, winning every single day. Shout out Vivian, just got her first client. Tyrone also got his first client for Ahmed. Everybody is winning in here. It is awesome. We also have an events calendar where you can hop in here every single day. We have someone that goes live every single day. No one else in Go High Level is doing this. So make sure you hop in here and get all your questions answered, because we have someone in here answering questions every single day, and you are getting all of my bonuses plus all of Declan O'Reilly, the GHL Wizards bonuses as well. 2 top affiliates in the whole world for GHL. You get both of our bonuses. All you got to do is use that link in the description below. Either way, I can't wait to see you guys in here. Hopefully you guys enjoy my little update videos on all the new updates with Go High Level. Some of them great, some of them are okay, some of them are just a waste of time. Either way, you're going to find out by watching my videos. Thank you guys for watching. I can't wait to see you guys inside of the High Level AI SaaS Lab. I can't wait to see what you guys do with the newest updates inside of GHL. And most importantly, I can't wait to see you guys on the next YouTube video tomorrow, because I post every single day. Peace out.